If you're ever doing a heater core on a Corolla that looks like this one, got your hoses going through the firewall there. They come through there, but you physically can't get the thing out because you would have to break these connections, and so there's no way to put the new one back in without breaking it, unless you pull the whole airbox out. And in order to do that, you gotta break that screw hole off, unless you want to drain your AC system. This screw right there threads in from the back, and so does that one. If you get a, get the little one of these, you can get it off, and yeah, otherwise it just sucks.